I'm at the town center. So init. Hi guys, lunch ko ulit at nandito pa rin ako, malapit sa work ko. So this is what you can see. I think this is a church or yeah, it's a church. But I'm not sure if Catholic church ito. Yeah. So hindi ko sigurado kung Catholic church. Pero yun, this is a big church. May mini garden, kaya lang ayokong pumunta dun kasi mga pangalalaki yun nandun. So, syempre, hindi ko naman sinasabi na nakakatakot dito. Pero mabuti na yung aware tayo ng mga ganyang issue. So, this is what I do usually pag makabreak ako. Lakad-lakad at maganda yung panahon. Maganda yung panahon ngayon in all fairness. Ang ganda, ang sunny. So, yeah, look at that. Ang ganda ng mga structure dito. And I love it. So, lakad-lakad lang tayo. I was planning na magpunta sa store. Gusto kong magtingin ng mga furniture, table, and all. This is the place na. Pero baka kulangan yung oras ko. Kaya bukas ko na yung gagawin. Tamang lakad-lakad lang. I'll show you around pa. Really nice. Yeah. Diba? Here it goes. Ito yung pinaka-town center dito sa amin. Medyo maraming tao, kaya ayokong mag-video palagi. Kasi syempre, makikita yung mga mukha ng mga peoples. So, ito, yon. That's it. So, that's it for today. Maglalakad-lakad pa ako. Bye, y'all!
Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Paalam!